Vintage Blueprints Cash Bonanza. Stuart Turnbull's Vintage Blueprints Cash Bonanza. Vintage Blueprints Cash Bonanza, step-by-step PDF plus videos. This is a revolutionary new course that teaches people how to generate online income offering vintage, public domain, blueprints in any niche. Big profits on websites like eBay, Amazon, Etsy, ZAZZLE, Cafe Press and more. This quality course shows people how to earn and grow consistent profits by capitalizing on a unique and growing trend. Selling vintage patent blueprints on sites like eBay, Amazon, Etsy, ZAZZLE, Cafe Press and many more. These high-value vintage prints can be obtained free from the public domain, which translates to 100% profits. This unique niche has exploded in recent years and is still growing. Many sellers on online sites, like Amazon and others, are carrying prints like these and experiencing off-the-chart sales. The vintage blueprints niche is crossing over to Etsy, ZAZZLE, Cafe Press and many more online stores, so no website is needed ever. Vintage Blueprints Cash Bonanza. This course shows people, from newbie to expert, how to easily and successfully set up and sell vintage blueprints in many niches, from musical to nautical to sci-fi to classic cars and more. This is a great business that can even be set up on autopilot. This appeals to a wide audience because it does not require a website to make great money. We have designed this course to be in-depth, yet easy to follow, so that both complete beginners and experienced people can benefit. This product is a step-by-step, in-depth yet easy-to-follow course with high-value bonuses that shows people how they can start and grow a profitable automated vintage patent blueprints business that cashes in on the ever-popular and hugely growing online gifts market. This is a true business people can take pride in. Everything is covered, from how to source and customize the patent blueprints to how to market the product successfully. In this unique multimedia course, Stuart and Bart show you how to capitalize on the huge and growing online gifts market by selling vintage patent blueprints. These patent blueprints are free to source, simple to customize, and therefore differentiate your offers. Can be sold as digital products that your buyers download and print at home, so you have zero inventory to keep and never need to ship anything. Can be hosted free on Etsy's servers, so you don't need a blog or website. You can sell to multiple niches because patent blueprints exist for every subject niche interest you can think of. In Vintage Blueprints Cash Bonanza, Stuart and Bart take you step by step through this simple business model in such a way that anyone can make money. Best of all, Stuart and Bart show you how to virtually automate everything if you so desire. So once set up, everything is on autopilot. All you have to do is figure out how to spend the extra cash that keeps showing up in your bank account. Get the full scoop here. Vintage Blueprints Cash Bonanza. Stuart Turnbull's Vintage Blueprints Cash Bonanza.